This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Adobe Photoshop. We will explore their core functionalities, user interfaces, and ideal applications to help you determine which platform best suits your creative workflow. We'll delve into their respective strengths, from Canva's user-friendly templates to Photoshop's advanced editing capabilities. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool aligns with your design goals and skill level, ensuring you make an informed decision for your projects. Canva shines as an incredibly accessible online design tool, perfect for those without extensive graphic design experience. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, coupled with thousands of ready-to-use templates, allows you to create stunning social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials in minutes. Many essential features are available for free, while a pro subscription unlocks even more content and advanced functionalities, making professional-looking designs achievable for everyone. Adobe Photoshop, on the other hand, is the industry standard for professional image manipulation and intricate graphic design. It offers unparalleled control over every pixel, enabling advanced photo retouching, complex compositing, and digital painting. This powerful software is indispensable for high-end photography and detailed artistic creations. Photoshop requires a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud, typically costing around $22 per month for a single application. Ultimately, the choice between Canva and Photoshop hinges on your specific needs and expertise. If you prioritize speed, ease of use, and template-driven designs for social media or presentations, Canva is your go-to. However, for professional photo editing, complex graphic design, or digital art that demands pixel-perfect precision, Photoshop is the clear winner. Many creative professionals effectively utilize both tools, leveraging each for its unique strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.